What is a personal loan? A personal loan is where you borrow a specific amount of money, usually from a financial institution, and then repay the money with interest and equal payments over an agreed term. What can I use my personal loan for? Depending on the type of personal loan you take out, the lender may have restrictions for what you can use it for. These are the top 6 things people take out a personal loan for. 1. Consolidate your debt. From store cards to credit cards, many of us have debts. And when we have lots of different debts, things can get complicated, especially when missing payments means paying penalties. You could take control of your debt by rolling it all into one personal loan. This is known as debt consolidation. Essentially, it means the bank pays off your other approved debts, so you're left with just one to manage and pay off. Personal loans generally have a lower interest rate than credit cards, which means you might be able to pay your debt down faster. Let's take an example of Tom, who has 3 different types of debt. Credit card number 1. Debt $10,000. Interest rate what he is paying is 19.99%. Credit card number 2. Debt $6,000. Interest rate what he is paying is 18.50%. Car loan. Debt $13,000. Interest rate he is paying is 9.75%. Now imagine Tom took out a $29,000 personal loan, $10,000 plus $6,000 plus $13,000 at 6.99% to pay off those 3 loans. He will still owe the same amount of money, but now his interest repayments would be reduced and he will just have one loan to manage. 2. Buy a car. It can take a long time to save for a car. One way to get behind the wheel sooner is to buy a car with a personal loan and pay it off each month. With the fixed rate on your personal loan, you'll know exactly what your regular repayments will be and how long you'll have to pay the loan off. It's a good idea to get approval for your car loan before you start looking for a car. That way, you'll know how much you can spend, and you might even be able to negotiate the price of the car. 3. Go on holiday. There are some experiences in life that only happen once, like an overseas trip with friends, a honeymoon, or a reunion with your childhood friends on the other side of the world. This is where a personal loan can make all the difference and help you cover upfront costs. 4. Plan your wedding. Your wedding is an experience you'll remember forever, but budgets can often be blown out for the big day. A personal loan could come in handy when it comes to budgeting and knowing how much you have to spend. Paying with a personal loan might also mean that you pay less on interest than if you were paying with a credit card. 5. Get home improvements underway. Whether you want to put on a new roof, install solar panels, remodel your kitchen, or add a swimming pool, hot tub, landscaping, or hardscaping, if you don't currently have the cash on hand, a personal loan can be a big help when it comes to home improvements. 6. Unplanned emergency expenses like paying medical bills. Medical expenses are a significant reason people go to lenders for personal loans. Common medical treatments that may require the use of a personal loan include dental work, cosmetic surgery, fertility treatments, and other procedures that can cost $5,000 or more. Ancillary expenses like medical travel, parking, medications, and aftercare can also be effectively financed by a personal loan.